Welcome. Today I'm going to be drawing MKBHD. I actually don't know why, but I just feel like drawing, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, so as usual, I start by getting reference photos from the internet. I usually like to get a front view and the side view of the subject, MKBHD in this case, to make sure I have all the facial features I'll need when I'm drawing them. And as you can see here, the photos I chose, I decided to choose the side views more because the drawing that I'm about to do is mainly a side view drawing. For the sketching, I just take my time. I don't get too much carried away by the details. I just start by creating a rough shape of the pose of the character. That creates a foundation for me to build upon later on in the sketch. Yeah, and it's really a good idea to have real objects to be used as reference to. It really helps. It helps you to get the understanding of the shape of the object. Alright, so after the sketch, I take my time to go ahead to put in the line art, and I try to make it as clean as possible. Moving on to the colors, I usually start by filling the whole background with a plain color and then filling the subject too on a different layer. This helps me to clip everything to that layer so that nothing bleeds out of the subject. Yeah, so on a new layer, I also create the shadows. I use the multiply layer so that I can darken the base colors that I have already with a different color. So I usually choose a lighter tone of blue, and then I apply the shadows at the areas of the body that are not pointing towards the light. Also, with the light tones of the body, I create a new layer for that. That layer will be a linear dodge layer that will help me to apply a color of light onto the surface, let me say the skin of MKBHD here. And I try to keep in mind the three-dimensional shape of his body. That will help me to know how to draw or place the lights at the right places. Okay, so after everything, I just take my time and then add some finishing touches to it, like you see with the background I did here. I tried to add his logo to it and made it look like a painting, a wall painting or something. Yeah, so yeah, that's just about it. And yeah, I really enjoyed working on this. Yeah, so this video is actually a kind of a tribute to Marques Brownlee for, he just recently got 50 million subscribers on YouTube. You guys should really check him out. I'm really happy and I hope to see greater stuff on his YouTube channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and feel free to suggest who you want me to draw next, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.